Sell tickets and accept donations directly from your website with a simple embed code, allowing guests and donors to check out without leaving your site. To embed a single event or donation page, click Manage Event, then Links and Widgets, and Website Embed Code. From here, you can customize how you want the event to look on your page, whether to include the event image, location, description, or just the tickets and donations. Next, you can personalize the text, background, and button colors to align with your organization's branding. When satisfied, simply copy the HTML code and paste it into your website where you want to display your events or donations. If you want to list all your upcoming events on your site, use the All Events Embed widget located in your Account section. Click on My Account, then Links and Widgets, and Website Embed Code. Here you can customize the widget similar to the single event one. Customizations will affect all events listed. Click on an event in the preview box to preview your customizations. It's that easy.